Hello, this is Mihu here. This was the morning of the 25th, and here is a bunch of presents under the Christmas tree. And I'm recording the voiceover in the living room, so please don't mind the background noise. Oh, and look, she's found a present for me.
Thank you.
And that's for you.
Oh, wow. And look, more people have come in search for their presents. Got mine already. Look how cute is the writing.
Oh yeah, Joanna supposedly
Really?
made
Joanna
them
did this?
and illustrated them with interesting or like relatable things for each person.
That is the cutest thing. So funny. Slavi's got a sock full of Maltesers.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's cute. Sami Matuka.
That is Sam's present. Joanna has drawn a computer because Sam is always on his computer, either working, reading, or playing a game.
Describes you. You have a good style.
And here's a letter for me. You spelled my name wrong.
No, that's how you know it's me.
Well, actually, I think the handwriting gives it away first.
There's a panettone.
If you thought this was chaotic, just you wait. The moment we've all been waiting for.
What does it smell like?
I got a body cream and body oil from L'Occitane. It was made from almonds and it smelled so good. And now I'm opening the present from Solea.
So I was at this trip to
See?
This is the perfect pajama for anybody who wants to feel festive all year round. Like me.
Fit.
What'd you get? Apple Watch.
Yes, I got an Apple Watch.
My mom is...
She's a tech junkie now. Look at her go. And I got him a pair of gloves from Dent, which is a brand that is featured in James Bond.
We are matching. Give me a five. Set up.
Nelly's looking very elegant in this new burgundy leather cap. Our present to Solia was AirPods, iPad, and an Apple Pencil. You gotta open this one in order to see what this is used for.
I don't have an iPad.
high tech.
I don't have an
It's even matching with
And her top.
everything.
Everything is fine.
Hello, the books, watch here, and also write. So it's important. That's why we have the pencil,
The pencil is
so that you can
For write?
read and write.
Oh,
After opening the presents, we finally sat down and ate breakfast. Here's the stollen that I made the day before. You can see the marzipan in the middle. Not bad for a first try, you know?
I'm hearing Elijah's.
Oh, as you eat the stollen? Oh,
The stollen is also good.
you wanna hear jazz music?
I'm hearing.
Oh, you're hearing it. You're
Yeah.
playing right now. I see. I didn't even notice you had your AirPods in. It's very discreet. Sam was in charge of cooking the turkey, so the rest of us sat down and watched The Sound of Music. She loves reading. She's in her own little world. How cute. Meanwhile, as you can see, Sam has prepared the stuffing for the turkey. I've got no clue what the recipe was, so I'm just gonna guess here, but I think that's minced pork, some mint, cranberry, onion, and I don't know the rest. He first seasons the chicken with salt and pepper, stuffs it, and covers it neatly with some prosciutto looking ham. Add a bit of herb, veggies, and blocks of butter. Looks like the turkey might be ready. Let's check it out. And out comes the potatoes too.
Oh, good luck, Finn.
Here's the moment of truth. Yum! But apparently it's not quite done yet. You're meant to take off the cover and then put it back in the oven. But before that, Sam's gonna just test it out a little bit just to make sure it's fully cooked. Oh no, he's not actually. He's taking out the veggies. Yeah, so I think the idea is that you're meant to take out the vegetables and the broth in order to make some gravy in a different pot. The turkey has come out of the oven for the second time and it's looking really nice and crispy.
The top, but it's all filling. Hopefully it's cooked.
Wow, can we just take a moment to appreciate this food? Everything looks so good. Kudos to Sam.
Oh, well, let's see on the inside. That's what I'm looking forward to.
The glistening cranberry sauce. Buttery and crunchy Brussels sprouts. Something I never appreciated as a kid, but now I do. And these potatoes that have been boiled and then roasted in order to make it fluffy on the inside and crispy on the outside. Now let's cut the turkey open. Ooh, so meaty. And can you guess what my favorite part is? The stuffing and the breast.
It is very tasty. The vegetables.
What's in the stuffing?
Yeah. See, no one knows what's in the stuffing.
Chef's recipe.
And Sam likes to keep it this way. Maybe it's not a traditional Bulgarian Christmas dinner, but it was still amazing. This is it for today. Thank you for watching. Bulgaria. If you've enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I have more videos coming up about Bulgaria, including New Year's Eve in Plovdiv, going to Wine and Spa in Starosel, going driving to Karlovo and Zudravets, so stay tuned and until then, stay healthy. Bye!